Alright, today I'm showing you how you can get rich from investing in the stock market because there are a lot of advice out there that I don't follow and I don't think anyone should follow. Not saying they are bad, but like I feel like for beginners, this is actually the best one. By the way, this is my portfolio. Now imagine this 200k is in dollars. I started investing like I don't know, maybe like March. So in like 3 months, March, April, May, June, in like for 3 months, I made 20k. So the more you invest, the higher return. So let me show you like 4 steps for beginners that I've never heard anyone talk about this, and I guarantee you, you 100% make money from this, like 1,000%. If you don't, bro, you will. So the first step is go to a bank, any bank, like it can be any bank in you see on TV, like any adverts, any like big bank in your area or country. The second step is ask them you want to open a brokerage account. It's pretty much like a trading app. There are a lot of investing apps out there, like there's trading 212, there's a lot of bamboo. But the reason why I don't advise anyone to trade by themselves, like download the app and start, experimenting with your money, you will likely not make money. So I've done this, and yeah, just go to any bank, like let's say there's a JP Morgan bank. You go to that JP Morgan bank, you talk to them, telling them, "Hi JP Morgan, I want to open a brokerage account with your company." Tell them that, and then they'll open you an investment account. You have to do some KYC, so submit your passports. Next step is ask the bank for an advisor, like a broker, to be buying and selling the shares for you. So what you want is that you want someone from the bank that will be buying the shares and selling it on your behalf, especially if you're a beginner. There's no point of experiment. I mean, you can experiment if you have the money, but if you do not, I advise you to tell them you want an advisor. And it's actually, for me, it was for free. Like, I thought financial advisors, you have to pay them to advise you, but no, they're actually, maybe, I don't know, for me, it was not for free. Maybe for some people, they might tell them that you have to pay for the advice, but I'm pretty sure, certain, or I'm not sure, like, I think they would advise you for free. Alright, so ask the bank for advisor, get the advisor's phone number, have him on your WhatsApp. That's what I do. I have a investment advisor on my WhatsApp. Next step is always talk to the broker, like the person that's buying and selling the shares. Ask them what they think. Do they think you should buy this company? Do they think you should sell this company? Well, is this a smart decision? Like me, I'm always like messaging my broker once my salary comes in. I'll message my broker. Hi, I'm thinking of this stock. What do you think? They will literally give you reasons. That you can even call the broker and be like, uh, I'm interested in dividends. Like I learned a lot from just talking to my advisor. He told me about dividends yield. If you're a person that's interested in dividends, don't do trial and error. Just find the dividends yield. And the companies that have the highest dividends yield compared to other companies, they give out the dividends to be, it will make sense. Like, how do I explain it? Like, it doesn't matter if the dividends is high, it's the dividends yield that matters because you get good return based on your investments. Yeah, that's something I learned from just talking to my broker for free. I think a lot of people know about this. And yeah, the last step is make money. I'm also going to tell you guys some other stock market knowledge that I know in case anyone is interested. And yeah, so these are the steps. So make sure you go to a bank, talk to a broker, have him on your phone, then tell him, "Hi, I'm interested in this company. What do you think?" Like, it's not very good. He'll tell you that because the broker is literally always analyzing the market. So if you're someone that's interested in investing, there are some things you need to always know. First, you need to always be looking at the news, and a great way to start is by, there are a lot of brokerage firms that produce reports. I'm going to show you an example of a report. So this is the report right now. You can't see it, but like the report literally analyzes the market every single day. So as you can see, this is the year to date. This is the return of the market from beginning of the year to now. It has gained a 20% return, like the overall market with all the stocks combined. The market cap, yeah, how the market number of, it's like the market cap, because market cap is price times number of shares outstanding. It's just the total value of the company, like how much of the companies in stock market, how much it has increased. Market breadth, like see this market breadth is 7, no, the market breadth is 7.0, shows the number of gainers versus the number of losers. Now this ASI, pretty much like everyone has their own different formats. So as you can see today, the market increased by 2%, the market cap increased by 2%, volume. Then it pretty much shows you all the companies listed. For example, let's see like let's go to a very famous bank. It's a famous bank like Zenith. Okay. I want to I want to like so that it's be easier to see view. So this is just some things I've been learning and it's a great way to make money. So like let's see, for example, Zenith Bank. It will show you the price of Zenith Bank. To show you the this is the previous price. So this previous price. So yesterday the price was Zenith Bank. The opening price. So when the market opened, this is the price. This is the highest price that the stock went to. This is the lowest price, and this is closing price. So as you can see, the stock price increased from 59 to 63. That's a 7% gain. So if you invested in this company, you would have automatically made money. Now when it comes to investing, I think you should invest. I won't say what you have lost, but like you should have some savings alongside investment. You shouldn't invest all your savings in investment. You should have some savings for like emergency fund. But this is some little knowledge about investing. Try to talk to brokers. Tell them, oh, you're looking for reports. Another great way is by looking at economic trends. Like I feel like, for example, if an aeroplane company this thing decide to make a plane that goes to another region, a lot of people are going to invest in that aeroplane company because the news say that they are like expanding. A lot of people will rush into the company to like gain profit because the price will go up. That's an example. So always be constantly be alert at the news. Turn on BBC notifications, like on Twitter. There are some notifications that you get. They'll be alerting you all these things. And also another advice is to read this book, The Intelligent Investor. Now I've not even read a chapter of this book. I've read the first like I've read too many books. I don't think I will finish. Like I'm reading so much. I didn't even read any today or yesterday. Like this is a good book. So far what I've learned is that just because a company has the ability to grow doesn't mean it's profitable for an investor. So like let me explain this. Let me ask ChatGPT to help me with that part. I learned this in uh the intelligent investors say just I know I might spell this off just because a company is looking to grow. That does not mean it will be profitable. When I was typing out exactly, this is one of the points he said. Just because a company is growing doesn't mean it's a good investment. There's one of the points. So reading this, just I think a great way to start is literally by looking at daily reports. Also, daily reports also show things like top gainers, top losers. So I'll show you guys something real quick. Let me just like wait. I'll show you guys real quick. I'm just showing something. Okay. So, for example, this is the top gainer. So as you can see, increased by 10%. So this company had a lot of people buying it. This company, and these are the losers. So a lot of people were selling these companies. So I think getting the reports, if you constantly see some companies in the top 10 gainers all the time, it means they are doing well. And yeah, I'll show you guys one more thing about this thing. The final thing is that wait, I think I'll end the video soon because I think I've waffled a lot. Hopefully, that was useful. The final thing is that you can see this is the top 10 gainers yet today. Do you remember the first slide I showed you guys? So this slide I showed you guys that has wait right. Oh, it's because I've locked it. Oh, wait a second. Let me remove the freeze. Okay, so as you can see, this now has top this year to date. That's the performance of the stock from this 31st of December 2024 till now. So as you can see, these are the companies. This company has increased 400%. So whatever you invested in, do 400% of that, you would have gained that. And by asking a broker all these things, they will help you. Eventually, once you have gotten used to the market, you already know what you know. We already know what the broker will tell you, and you can start doing it on your own. You can do remote sales, remote buying or selling of stock. The reason why I recommend an advisor is so you don't make a mistake and buy a share just for vibes. There has to be a reason why you buy it. That's my opinion. I'm relatively still new to this. I don't even know what I'm doing. And yeah, so far this is some advice. And yeah, man. If you guys have enjoyed the video, do not forget to use my supporting creator code TKS if you play Fortnite. And yeah, I'll see you guys soon. Thanks for watching. Peace.